everyone, welcome to my channel. I want you to guess which side I use the Dyson product, Dyson hair dryer, and which side I use the Revlon. Can you guess? Okay, you'll find out at the end of the video. Okay, don't fast forward. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Revlon hair dryer, which I've had for almost 2 years, and I love this thing. And a brand new, and I have not opened it yet, is the Dyson hair dryer. And it's got all the different parts for blow drying and styling, and I guess it's all in one. This is around $600+. I don't know exactly because I didn't buy it. This is my daughter's. She bought it and she had it shipped to the home, our house, and she said I could use it, so I thought, why not? And I thought I would compare it to what I normally use, which is this Revlon. I love this thing, but it does get really hot right here. So I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna split my hair in right in the middle so that half of it is going to be using Dyson and half of it is going to be using the normally, I don't like to use really hot heat because it's got the low, cool, and high. And I usually use low heat, like that. And I'll show you. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I do reviews on luxury bags usually, travel, and lifestyle. If you like this kind of content, I'd love it if you would take the time to click the subscribe button. Okay, here it goes. It sucks in right here. The air is sucking in. Okay, so this button is the strength of the air flowing out, and this is the temperature. So let's just do medium. It's got 3 settings: low, medium, and high. And this we'll just do like, let's try to do a similar amount. Okay, I'm done. So, is there a difference in feel? Is there a difference in feel of, yes. This one feels smoother. The Dyson side feels more slick, and this one feels a little more coarse. But as far as the way it looks, is it so different? Oh, this is very silky. And this is silky, but not as much. Wow, it does make a difference. I wanted to say no, but it does feel silky and smooth on the Dyson side than it does in here. Now this doesn't feel bad, and when I didn't compare, when I was just using the Revlon, I thought it was pretty good. So I think at the end of the day, if somebody gave this to me, I would say thank you very, very much. I would use it to my heart's content, and it's very expensive. But is it, you know, without having used it for a long time to see whether if my, you know, split ends and like that, it gets much better, I'm not sure that I could recommend, given the price difference, I could recommend this item. That said, if money is no object, you know, this is, okay, bottom line, this is a better product. But it is over $600. This is 50 bucks. And I think I would still buy this. It's good enough for me. If they were equally priced, I would choose this. Let's just say it that way. But I'm not sure if I helped you. So yeah, it's a really good product. It is. It just feels really smooth. This feels kind of smooth, but this feels really smooth. The other thing is, I can see this being more convenient when I'm traveling because you can take this out. You can pop this off, and this could be stored. This could be stored separately, and you can have different you know, curling iron portion of it separately with you. So I can see volume-wise that this may be more convenient to carry along versus this is huge and you can't take this apart and to make it smaller. As far as the weight, I feel like they're pretty similar. I'll put the weight of these two, but as far as usability, they feel about the same to me. I think it's overpriced. I think this should be cheaper. I feel like this, isn't it about time this comes down in price? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if this was helpful, but this is my honest opinion after just unboxing this and using it. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, clicking the bell notification, and please consider subscribing, clicking the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload more videos. Okay guys, thanks, bye.